Continuing here with the Deep Thought Strategy book from Steve Lowell, and we're going to talk today about expert insights. Expert insights is a concept that Steve's talked about that in the book, and it's something that you can claim ownership on. Only you have it, nobody else. You don't have any competition. You're the only one possessing that expertise. And when you find that out, that's an amazing accomplishment. Sometimes you don't know it, but sometimes you do. Sometimes others know about it. Sometimes they don't. But your goal has to be, in order to become very successful through the Deep Thought Strategy, your goal has to be to find that expert insight within you that you can claim ownership on. And once you find that, in the words of Steve, when you discover the expert insights, that's your infinite power to the path of success. It's a body of knowledge that lies deep within you, and it's yours only. And you have to work very hard to uncover your expert insights, which is going to ultimately help you become very successful with the Deep Thought Strategy book.